Did you know you don't actually need helium to make balloons look like they are floating on the ceiling? Today, I'm going to show you 2 simple methods to stick balloons to the ceiling using only balloon glue or double-sided tape. For the setup, you will need an electric air pump, a few regular latex balloons, and ribbon for decorations. First, inflate your balloon using an electric air pump. Next, tie a ribbon to the balloon to make it look more decorative and realistic. For the second balloon, we will follow the same steps. Tie a ribbon to keep the look consistent. Now, take a balloon glue dot and stick it to the top of the balloon. This time, instead of balloon glue, we will use double-sided tape. Attach the tape to the top of the balloon, peel off the top layer to reveal the adhesive side. Once the balloons are ready, press the balloon firmly against the ceiling and hold it for a few seconds to make sure it sticks properly. Make sure your ceiling surface is clean and dry before sticking the balloons. As you can see, it gives the illusion that the balloons is floating, just like helium. It's simple and perfect for parties, birthdays, or indoor events. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and check out our other balloon decoration videos.